barbecue fam. Previously on an episode on Kimball's Barbecue, we are going to be using a new product today. And today it is the onlyfire. Oh hell yeah, for a 22-inch kettle, the cast iron grill grates. Badass with a vortex. We're doing up some wings. It's game day. Oh hell yeah. Get your wings whole, cut them yourself, save some money. Oh hell yeah. Put them in a bin, hit them up with some kind of oil, canola oil, avocado oil. That's what I'm using today. And then we're gonna smoke them for about 25-30 minutes until they're crispy and the internal temperature obviously is above 165. And then we're gonna hit it with some buffalo sauce or dust. In this case, Cosmos buffalo dust. Oh hell yeah. Check this out. So with the onlyfire cast iron grates, you're gonna wanna hit them up. They are already pre-seasoned, but hit them up with some canola oil. Get the heat rolling low, about 200 degrees for at least a half hour. Get these things going. Now I just refilled that basket and we're getting ready to start cooking here in a minute. We're gonna get these wings nice and crispy. Oh hell yeah. And today we are using a slow and sear kettle, but without that slow and sear inside. That vortex and the onlyfire cast iron grill grates, and your wings will go around that. You can put a block of wood in there, just a chunk, and then whatever kind you want. I'm probably gonna throw in a chunk of cherry. Gives it nice color, great smoke, and I think I have about 60 wings here. We'll see how many will fit.
Give me a hell yeah!
It's November and it's cold, but we got some buffalo wings to warm us up. Oh, hell yeah. Let's get a bite of these beasts. Oh, hell yeah. Wings on the onlyfire on the slow and sear kettle. Oh, hell yeah. With that Cosmos buffalo wing dust. Oh, hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
And we used that vortex in that kettle today. That was pretty badass. Put a chunk of cherry wood on there. Get some smoke rolling. This was the second batch, which I was worried. Temp was going down. God damn it. Came out great. Let's get some of that. Awesome blue cheese. Blue cheese. No ranch around here. Oh hell yeah. Get your veggies in. Yeah. Now there's a comedian out there. He is diehard blue cheese. Yeah. You should go check him out. So that comedian's Joey Diaz. Oh, hell yeah. You know about that. If it ain't blue cheese, ranch, go on for your mother. Man, what I like about that Cosmos Buffalo, I really like it drenched in Frank's, but when it's dry and it's still got the same flavor, it's not dripping everywhere, amazing. Oh, hell yeah. And you didn't need to deep fry it. Came out amazing. Crispy skin and all. Do it on a kettle with a vortex. 350, 25, 30 minutes. Flip them about 15 minutes in. Rock and roll. Check the temp. Hit 170, 185, 185. Go for that for the crispier skin. Oh, hell yeah. Whew. That's rocking, folks. I will catch you guys on the next one. Oh, hell yeah. That onlyfire and vortex combo rocks. Oh, hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
I don't even understand how. I don't get it. Sons of Anarchy going by. It's like, really? It's 25 degrees out. Diehards. Oh, hell yeah.